Gorgonzola's Rolling Kitchen. Hey! As I was saying, my sous chefs are each experts in their own specialty. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Heard?
Yes, sir.
Please allow me to introduce my three amazing sous chefs. Up first, we have Chef Cal Apeno, master of the spice. Oh, excellent taste. Next, we have a chef who specializes in the smooth roll and simmer, Chef Alfredo. Finest. And last but not least, the chef who brings the texture and satisfying crunch, Chef Pop Ecorn. Absolutely stunning! These three measure up to my high standards because we do not just celebrate food, we elevate food. And helping with our preparations, we have our kitchen assistants, Clarabelle Cow and Daisy Duck. And our eager apprentices, Chip and Dip. Oh, that was, no. Chip and Delicious. You see, I will be leading this cast iron crew today as we demonstrate our twist on a classic. Rat-a-tat-tat-too. Now pay attention. As executive chef, my years of experience have led to advice that is sound. This is why I've assembled this talented team who will help demonstrate how to create the perfect blend of spice, sauce, and texture with technique that calls for precision, stamina, and speed. My crew! My crew, seasoned professionals who relish a good joke. Hey, it was good enough in rehearsal. Now, for ratatouille, a signature dish of France. To begin any good recipe, we must all work together. Now, I run a very strict kitchen, but today I will leaven my attitude by inviting all of you in the dining area to help prepare the mise en place. Now, you must pay attention and follow along closely because it's time to slice and dice. To begin, we have Chef Cal, master, on the cutting board. We slice, and dice. Come on, we slice, and dice. Join us. Slice, and dice. Very good. Up next, we have Chef Pop, master and layers. We layer and layer and layer and layer it. cheese, am I? I just stink, don't I? Too much sauce, too much spice, too much crunch. All right.
Can you see it? Oh,
okay. It's masterful. It's beautiful. It's magic. You all worked together and created something even better than the original. This is the moment you've been waiting for. We're adding the spicy, the smooth, and the crunch, and turn it into something more. Might seem like they may not go together, but there's something you may not know. Sprinkling a little bit of magic in the kitchen and all you can sort of, whoa! I don't really know what to call it. I just know that it tastes really good. What about crunchy munchies? I don't really think so. I still think it needs to be more of like a spicy surprise. There we go. That's the closest one so far. But I still think it needs to be more of like a smooth groove. Get it? So close. You know, when we put them all together, it kind of seems like a gumbo. Yes, that's it. Let's go. Jumbo, jumbo, little bit of you tonight. I'm trying. Gotta remind me of jambalaya. Jumbo, jumbo. Sort of like a family to me. The heart is getting too big to find me. So you see, the most delicious discoveries come when everyone adds what they love to the recipe. We may all have different rhythms, but mix them up together and it's kitchen sink-o-pation. Now go, enjoy, try everything, because food, like life, is a celebration!